YouTubers, did a little late night TIG welding out here before the storm that just ran through here and soaked everything. So there you have it. I have all the arms on. I have all the end plates TIG welded to the ends. And tomorrow this will go up. I'll do a video during the daytime, but I decided I'm just going to TIG weld that on the ends. So these plates are actually just welded in one spot. So that's all. The arms are all on. These I ended up brazing on because the little tabs were messed up, but this is it, man. You got one little end plate for each one, and this will be spun around tomorrow. Oop, get that going. So that's what we got going. And tomorrow, even though the storms are coming through tonight, I'm gonna wait. We got to do a little bit of painting on the blades, sand them down, make sure they're perfectly smooth, and then we'll put this thing up and let it go. So everything worked out pretty good as planned, and learning TIG welding the last 3 days was an experience, especially to do aluminum, thin walled aluminum at that. Extremely hard to do the 1/16 inch, but the guy from Pacific Arc Welding, Justin, or Dusty from Pacific Arc Welding, really cool dude. He tells you a lot of little tips and tricks about TIG welding aluminum, and that's what I focused on, and basically did that and the brazing. So everything's good to go. These things came out real nice with the round edge on the front. So, and then, like I said, this thing even down here, it spins even more than it used to by just giving it a little push. And that thing just, with those counterweight arms, man, it's looking good. So hopefully this thing spins fast enough to produce some power. But I'll shoot a video tomorrow in the day. This way you can see it a little bit better.